Hello everyone, this is report 2 for the Better Career Program. Every morning, before I start working, I first check my tasks in Trello because my supervisor assigned them there. We can mark, complete a task and leave comments on the ones we couldn't finish. In the last video, I showed my daily tasks, but every Thursday and Friday are different. Those days we prefer for the assignment committee. Do you remember the template we created earlier? Category managers use that template to send us new SKUs. As you can see, I entered them into the file, build drop-down lists using offset formulas and data validation, and link them to the product needs. Based on the selected need, I can calculate the number of active SKUs, their sales, top products, and the purchase of the retail prices of the leading SKU. This analysis helps us decide whether the new item should be introduced. Then, I study the product, how it looks, what benefit it brings to customer, whether it is sold on other marketplaces, and whether we already have a similar item. For example, if the need has only one product, I check sales, customer loyalty, shelf availability, ABC analysis, and power analysis in data. All of this we calculate ourselves using the formulas in Excel. If the data looks promising, the product can be introduced. But if you already have 26 well-selling products, as you can see here, in the category, we don't need another alternative. In that case, we use rotation. We add the new SKU and remove the weak one. On Thursday, we spent the whole day analyzing items. On Friday morning, together with the category manager, we present sample to the head. After discussion, we decide whether to launch the product or not. All approved items are documented in a protocol and sent by email. Non-approved items are also listed separately. Then category managers create product cards in the Elma system. The master data team and we check them and transform them into 1C. The pricing team sets the prices and the product becomes ready for the sales. Next, I need to add these new SKUs into our data. For this, I write an SQL script. Here's how my script works. First, I select a list of SKUs from the previous data and from the current day. Then I find the new SKUs that did exist before. I also select all SKUs. I merge both lists into one table. And finally, I pull product attributes, codes, barcodes, name, department, category, and supplier information for each city. For city level details, I use the max case when formulas introduction, which allows me to see in a single row the suppliers and status of the SKU in Almaty, Astana, Shymkent, Qarabanda, and Aktube. After the script produces the result, I export it into Excel and compare it with the data table. First, I check SKUs with 0, which means they are not yet in data. Then I filter only those items that master data added yesterday. As a result, I identify 88 new products. I moved them into separate new item sheet. Created drop-downs for each column, added formulas, and structured the data using data validation. All of this necessary for analytics inside data. Thank you for watching my second Better Career Report. Stay tuned for more updates for my journey. See you in the next video. Bye!